Hey guys, and welcome to digit.in, and in this video I am going to be unboxing the Samsung 870 QVO 1TB SATA 2.5-inch SSD. So guys, this has a sequential read speed of 560 MB per second and a sequential write speed of up to 530 MB per second. As you can see, it says 1 TB, so that's the capacity of the drive. Now let's turn it around. What other information do we have at the back? It has a standard brand warranty, and it comes in this little package that you can see. Now this is a very useful drive. It's an internal drive. It's meant for if you want to say upgrade your PC or your laptop and you want to say get faster performance out of that. So you want to either swap out the existing traditional hard drive which spins, or then that's when you would be looking to get something like this. Also additionally, if you want to add more say storage to your PC, you can also get one of these. It's a SATA drive. It's an internal drive. Again, it's not an external drive. So anyway, let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside it. So it opens from the side and there's a tray. Just take it like that. So there you go. So I'll just keep that off to the side. So inside the tray you get a installation guide, and this is also your warranty statement. It does come sealed. So I'll just go ahead and open that. Okay. And this is the installation guide. Again, pretty useful. It shows you how to say you want to install it in your desktop computer. There's a way. It shows you actually what to do and how it can install with diagrams. It can also go into laptops, for example, so it will show you how to do this. So this is a pretty useful guide, and it also has the warranty information. So keep that off to the side. And in this little case you have the actual drive itself. So these are obviously the SATA connectors right here, and it says over here 870 QVO 1 TB Samsung drive. Okay, so there you are folks. That was the unboxing of the drive. A couple of things that you should know: the form factor is 2.5 inches. The interface, as I mentioned again, the interface, this is a SATA. It's 6 GB per second. It's compatible also with SATA 3 GB and SATA 1.5 GB per second interfaces. So okay, so there you are folks. Again, this is something that you would look to get if you're looking to upgrade your storage to make your PC or your laptop faster. So we hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.